How to add an e-signature to Adobe Acrobat. Today, we are diving into the simple process of adding an e-signature to a document using Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started. First things first, open the PDF where you want to add a signature. Now, what you have to do is use this e-sign which is in the left-hand side panel. Simply tap on it and that will open up an option called Fill and Sign over here. And under it, you can see an option for add a signature and add an initial. So what we need right now is add a signature. Simply tap on it and that will open up this type of interface for you, from where you can either type, draw or add an image of the signature that you want. And once you are happy with it, simply tap on apply, which is over here. Tap on it. And now you can see your name on your cursor. Now place it where you want to add the signature. For example, I want to add a signature over here. Simply tap on it and it's done. And if you want to access it, what you can do is simply tap on this one and make it smaller or make it bigger by tapping on this one. And if you want to delete it, simply tap on this dustbin over here or a delete icon over here. After you are happy with everything, don't forget to save your document to retain your changes. And that's it. You have successfully added an e-signature to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Simple, right? Now go ahead and give it a try. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.